All them think of them alone can wealthy. Them think of blood bank me a go later. Well on the baby. That call it important. Connected. Talk to me.
Esta es la piloto Chicamala Erika, del vuelo XBJMR, ahora entrando al espacio aéreo de Jamaica.
Need a translator. Baby is a whistle ya chat pan in English.
Mr. Sir,
Yeah.
This is pilot Batia from Fly XVJMR.
Who man them sent on the mission, you see that?
Sí.
So what you said, the gate fly, so if a road start to crawl around you, how are you there now?
Now entering Jamaica airspace.
All them think my thing light, you know. That's right, ever in the year. Watch me and them.
Mr. Sir, where the runway located?
I want you, bad girl. A 2021 this, you know, you go land it in the sea. Let me tell you something. You see, Jamaican police, them fool. Them don't know if investigate things. Them a got things say crash.
Are you serious, Mr. Sir?
Yeah.
Are you serious? Like really?
Yeah, man,
in
yeah.
the water?
Really and truly.
You Jamaicans are crazy.
Yeah, man, real life settings. And a Grand Theft Auto. Jamaica this, you know.
What?
A union pilot, bad girl, you know.
Approaching
Just
minimum.
do.
Minimum.
Cup up $1 million. After I got it to $1 million. Cup up $1 million. Cup up $1 million. After I got into $1 million. Oh, you do that, dog?
Yo, great. I want to go on. Now I can't see you, G.
There you know, Mr. Sir. What go on?
Yo, news just surfacing out. Our season, you know.
What you say? Let's get active.
Yeah, man, Grace. You know, say a time for you to come off of the breast milk.
Oh, yeah, man. I don't know if you get the calcium.
Calcium, food up on the plate.
Yes, sir.
At the pickup time.
Big feast on a pint.
Yeah, man.
I link up, B-man Franco. Don't say a word, man.
Don't know the coordinates.
But wait, I can't my man this. From the last time me see my poverty lane, I know me can't see no phone ring and no door a pull. Tell you about them dirty man here, you know. 10 years of my life me give him and watch ya anniversary. And me sit down in here look on furniture. The boy not have no style. Anyway, yeah, me not stress myself over no man. Me not even thinking no anniversary. And me a celebrity. But wait, I want Chovia she. How many hear from her from she send the local money from out her stimulus check? Ratted, but wait. Kerosene tell me say light and water gonna foreign. Come like the state them turn parish mama. But the one JPS and NWC could so bright. We gone over the people them place in this pandemic, yeah. Cause them love cut off, you know. The world alright, yeah.
Right now, Bim Carter is supposed to lose couple pound. Well load up. Nice man, nice up the place, you know. A good thing you're there to in a town, baby.
What do you mean?
You're there at the right time. You know, see a pretty foreigner with Stush last name, plus the lawyer voice that you have. You see, I'm start turn up the thing, nobody not even go on question me.
Well, I don't like to be questioned either.
Yeah, man, make mouth say, you mind me, I'm a friend them.
But wait, tell me, Mr. Sir.
How are you going?
When will I get to meet this Mrs. Miss of yours?
Father, see it, your R.I.P. Pops. You know, so my grandfather dead and gone, I'm still here, my tell me, say, woman a problem.
Wait, what you mean?
Me no want to hear nothing, me say you a problem.
I'm not a problem.
That you say.
I'm the answer.
Well, if a people around here pray, you need to answer them for God.
Like, seriously?
Easy, man, baby. The question they come like it up on an English test paper one. I can't answer, I can't pass. My brain I do some maths, you know.
Wow, so why are you acting like that?
Cool, no, man, baby. You so know Mrs. Smith, man. So, I go on. You love the place.
Yeah, I love it here.
Well, you know, say you have to go learn for just two things. You have to go know for steam rice, because rice cooker not there them place. You see me?
Poor Tana. Poverty Lane, my life.
Wait there. Our time, you know. Clarks have to go touch the asphalt, you know, no baby. I have to go touch the road. You see me?
So you're leaving me?
No worry, man. The mongrel them out the door make pitbull move like chihuahua. I go left here with a small warmer.
Yo, great. If them boy the pull you over, you know, tell your friend about to move like a Spanish, you know. She better move like one of them Indian.
Oh, shoot.
Easy, mama, you're good, man. Them thing are more than a life sentence, you know, great.
I'm Tabim. You think we spray the license plate like a diplomat and throw one flag on the front. This is where we like some ambassador.
And that you say?
Poverty Lane passport. I want to him, Franco.
Boy, big things are going, you know. But just I go and look out of my eyes, them. Mr. Sir, I plan for turn minister. A big package, them, you know.
All you, Franco, you know, rate your boss, you know.
A wagwan. Oh, you have to say that.
When you're asleep, you can't say the minister, them a thief, you know. You never give you nothing.
No, you know.
Right now, it's a bicycle you pedal. Duh.
You going like you know, sir. That I going.
You good to wake up tomorrow morning and get a car.
But I can't drive.
That me I show you. You have to start learning how to improve yourself.
So wait, if a bicycle him a ride and him a go get car, and me a drive car, and when me a go get a most aircraft.
I want to your baby and say, I boss your boss. I know what the people are going to try to stop your life. Hold on, let me give Mr. Sarah a card.
Talk to me.
Close to that time and that place. See?
Straight rappelings, where you say a party time.
Yes, I eat.
Mr. Sir must think I was born yesterday. Talking about soon I'm gonna meet Mrs. Miss. Man, anyway, wait until this vajayjay starts to get him crazy. Then he's gonna do anything and everything I tell him to. But if he says he really wants me, why is he so afraid to let me meet her? Like, seriously? Anyway, let me do what he said to do. Men.
I wonder if she start her assignment yet. I want pang off a foot, I want, you know. Be a scam, you must scam people. Use a foreigner and scam him. Let me see what I go on. Bet him I go say I'm hungry and have big Ben spark up round there. When he fall, sell him a plain wing, trick him and find out what I go on. Yo, Panga, you know hear about the woman what the consular give a number to?
Yeah, she didn't text on my phone, you know, she come like she's a scammer, brother. I want to grab her in her head. You know me, car. I don't know, me look like somebody for scam, look how me look poor and hungry.
That I go on, brother.
What a wicked woman.
How she has said to you?
Come and send me text about me know about Bitcoin. Me I say, no, I don't know about that, you know, I never hear about that before, but me and her, man, me I go and put her on me, you know, so listen, you understand, just link me up, man. Me's unemployed, man. Me not have no money to invest in an FX trader business, you understand? Me I love somebody invest some money in me right now. Me and her, man.
Yeah, man, keep her close. You have to look out for one another, you know. But they are still in a little bit. Yeah, man, I saw you find out what go on in the system. One Tana come like she a A student. Come like she come first in a fair class sometime. Good job.
A major multi-agency investigation is underway to determine what led to a plane entering Jamaica's airspace and the subsequent emergency landing in Rocky Point, Clarendon.
I want a poverty lane for crash. I want some insurance on you. So I go up on the next channel.
Chop, 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 chop. Anywhere me go, girl get wop, wop. And this bubble the girl them want. Girl, them call me the fire king. Man a real man, me no mannequin. Me touch girl hard, make them for me twin. Like we did the duck, me we feel.
At them thing I make Mr. Sir want to say make the rest of them a freak out. After woman to man on a ball tail living, hold them bubble. What them want we do? Lock we eye. We don't see what go on in the world. Some ball plate a go on like a them alone know for make the girl them all fun round here. Hold them bubble. Man a king, you know. Black man a forget the rod. Straight rod in, non-stop. A real bubble around here. Name brand kush around here. What some ball plate around here. Keep it on, don't tell her, you know. With no lotion money now, man, no lotion, you know. And what is some guy? Selassie I. Rasta them for know. 10,000 black woman will lead, you hear that? Yeah, and them powers that we have as Rasta around here. Burn some guy. We are move like a fly. Pitchy, pitchy. Pitchy, pitchy.
Cause we come to nice up the party. Come to have fun with somebody.